Welcome everyone to another exciting Saturday webinar. This is Brad Cruz. Today we will be discussing the biggest SMS marketing trends that will help increase your business profits. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer at a large company, this webinar will provide valuable insights on how to effectively use SMS marketing to drive sales and boost revenue. Let's get started. First, we have personalization. Personalization is key component of SMS tools, allowing businesses to send highly personalized and targeted messages to their customers. With the use of this feature, businesses can increase engagement and conversions by sending messages that are tailored to the needs and interests of their customers. SMS tools make it easy for businesses to segment their customer base and send messages that are relevant to each group. This level of personalization helps build stronger relationships with customers and drives more sales for the business. Customers are more likely to respond to messages that are specifically fit to their interests, and this level of personalization helps to ensure that customers are getting the best experience possible. Businesses that use SMS tools can also track customer interactions, allowing them to gain valuable insights into customer behavior. This data can be used to further personalize campaigns, leading to even better engagement and conversions. With this data, businesses can also identify trends in customer behavior, allowing them to act quickly and effectively to maximize their success. Then we have automation. SMS marketing automation tools are designed to help businesses streamline their messaging and boost results. With automated messages, businesses can quickly and easily reach their customers with the right information at the right time. SMS autoresponder allows businesses to set up automatic responses to customer inquiries and provide timely answers or solutions. The group autoresponder allows businesses to send targeted messages to specific groups of customers, and the gateway chatbot autoresponder allows businesses to automate communication with customers and provide real time support. These features help businesses save time and resources while also providing better customer experiences. Automated messages are personal to individual customer needs, which can help increase engagement and conversions. With SMS its automation suite, businesses can easily create, manage, and track their messages and keep track of customer data and analytics. Then we have two factor authentication. One time code or OTC technology is an essential tool for businesses looking to increase security and protect customer accounts. SMS it offers OTC that allows businesses to send one-time passcodes to customer via SMS, which customers can then use to verify their identity and gain access to their accounts. This added layer of security helps to protect against fraud and unauthorized access, giving customers peace of mind and increasing their trust in the business. SMS it OTC is easy to implement and can be integrated with other security protocols. It makes it highly effective for businesses as it can be used alongside other security measures to provide an extra layer of protection. Then we have customer service. SMS is the ideal way to provide fast and efficient customer service, enabling customers to text in their questions or queries and immediately receive real time support. With SMS, you can ensure your customers are always taken care of, no matter the time or place. SMS, its decentralized platform, provides businesses with a tool to improve their customer service experience. By allowing customers to text in their queries, businesses can provide quick and efficient support in real time. The Gateway Chatbot Autoresponder feature allows businesses to create automated responses to frequently asked questions, which is a great way to reduce the workload on customer service representatives and provide instant assistance to customers. The chatbot can be easily set up to respond to specific trigger words or phrases, which means that customers can receive automated help 24/7. The decentralized platform also allows businesses to keep track of customer inquiries and improve their customer service over time. Companies can use this data to gain insights into customer pain points and develop strategies to address them. For instance, businesses can look into trends such as the most frequent queries and the average time it takes to respond to them. This information can help companies be proactive in addressing customer needs and providing solutions. Next, we have appointment reminders. SMS can be a powerful tool to help reduce customer no shows and improve customer retention. Automated appointment reminders sent via SMS can help ensure your customers never miss another important appointment. With this simple solution, you can provide a more personalized customer experience while also improving customer retention. SMS-iT's appointment management feature is the ultimate solution for businesses looking to stay organized and reduce no-shows. By sending automated appointment reminders to customers via SMS, businesses can ensure that customers are aware of their upcoming appointments and avoid confusion. Businesses can set up email alerts as well to keep track of appointment statuses in real time. The feature allows businesses to easily upload appointments from a CSV, saving time and reducing errors. Appointments can be viewed as a list or in a calendar view, making it easy to schedule and manage appointments. Businesses can also set up messages for canceled, confirmed, and rescheduled appointments, which can help to keep customers informed. Then we have loyalty incentives. SMS is a marketing tool that can help businesses reward and engage their most loyal customers. By sending exclusive offers, discounts, and rewards directly to customers via SMS, businesses can build stronger customer relationships and increase customer loyalty. SMS-iT's SMS Loyalty Program and Kiosk Builder are tools that help businesses to keep customers engaged and loyal. The SMS Loyalty Program is a modern solution designed to make it easier for customers to track their loyalty points and be rewarded for their loyalty. The program eliminates the need for customers to keep track of their points manually and helps to strengthen brand loyalty by rewarding customers right away. The convenience and ease of use of SMS or MMS make it possible for customers to engage with businesses even while they are on the go. The kiosk builder is also a great tool for businesses. It allows them to create a visually appealing interactive kiosk that customers can use to quickly sign up for their loyalty program. The kiosk is connected to the SMS loyalty program, so customers just need to enter their mobile number to get started. Businesses can also customize the rewards and offers for each customer, making it easy for customers to keep track of their progress and get rewards for their loyalty. Then we have integration with other channels. SMS is an incredible tool for businesses of any size. Integrating it with other marketing channels such as email and social media can help create a comprehensive and effective cross channel marketing strategy. By leveraging the strengths of each channel, businesses can maximize their reach, engagement, and conversions. With the ability to send tailored messages to customers based on their interests, businesses can ensure their communication are more relevant and impactful. SMS-it is designed to be an all-in-one marketing solution for businesses that are looking to connect their SMS marketing effort with other channels. Its API and software integration allows businesses to streamline their marketing efforts and create cohesive, cross-channel campaigns that are more effective and efficient. With SMS, its multi-channel integration, businesses can easily reach their customers and drive more sales regardless of the channel they are using. The integration of SMS-iT with award-winning software platforms like email, CRM, and social media lets businesses take their marketing to the next level. With this tool, businesses can create automated messages that are tailored to individual customers as well as campaigns that reach multiple channels. SMS-iT's integration with interactive video ads also helps businesses reach their target audience more effectively. Next, we have location based targeting. Location based targeting with SMS can help businesses drive foot traffic to physical stores. By sending targeted messages to customers based on their location, businesses can capitalize on the opportunity to engage with customers in the area and provide them with personalized offers. With location based targeting, businesses can effectively reach their target audience and increase customer engagement. SMS-iT's location-based targeting feature gives businesses a powerful tool to reach customers in their area. By sending targeted messages to customers based on their location, businesses can take advantage of a unique opportunity to drive foot traffic to their physical stores. By sending personalized offers and promotions to customers in that area, businesses can effectively increase customers' engagement and drive sales. With SMS-iT, businesses can use its location-based targeting feature to filter down their contacts when sending bulk messages, ensuring that the right message is sent to the right audience. This feature can be especially useful for businesses with multiple locations or those looking to drive sales at specific store locations. That concludes our discussion on the biggest SMS marketing trends that will help increase your business profits. We hope you found this information valuable and are excited to start implementing these strategies in your marketing efforts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us through our chat support on our website and inside the cloud and decentralized dashboard. We also have help desk inside the cloud and decentralized dashboard, or you can send us an email at support@smsit.ai. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing the success of your SMS marketing campaigns. Now, I would like to turn the discussion over to Elvis. Elvis.